Budapest, hello once more, this time the Steward 863, stand position 32 with QNH1018, victim information Mike, requesting clearance to London Heathrow please.
Steward 863 Budapest, Grand Hello, directly to Heathrow, Bado 4 Bravo, departure route, I'm 7,000 feet, initial is squawk 4216.
Thank you, cleared to London Heathrow, Bado 4 Bravo, climb initially 7,000 feet, the squawk 4216, and we are in A320, Steward 863.
863 clearance was correct, come back when ready.
Thank you. Budapest, hello again, Steward 863, stand position 32 with QNH1018, ready to push and start please.
Sir 863, stand by for short aircraft behind you, call you back.
Thank you.
Steward 863, thank you sir, clear of traffic now, start up and pushback approved facing uniform, the time is 27.
Thank you, cleared to push and start onto uniform, and copy time 27, Steward 863, thanks.
Please take a moment to locate the exit nearest to you, bearing in mind that the nearest usable one may be behind you. Opening the doors automatically inflates the evacuation slides. High heel shoes must be taken off as they may tear the slide. Please now fasten your seatbelt. It must be worn whenever the seatbelt signs are on, and it is fastened and adjusted like this, and opened like this. Seatbelts must be worn whenever the seatbelt signs are illuminated, but for your comfort and safety, we recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened and visible at all times. If the cabin air supply fails, oxygen will be provided and masks like this will appear automatically. Stay in your seat and pull the mask towards you. Place the mask over your mouth and nose and breathe normally, adjusting the band to secure it. Please note that the bag does not inflate. Make sure your own mask is fitted before helping anyone else. Your life jacket is underneath or beside your seat. If required, remove the jacket from its container and pull it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and tie them securely in a double bow at the side. To inflate, pull the red toggle as shown. The air can be topped up by using this mouthpiece. There is a light and whistle for attracting attention. Do not inflate your life jacket until you are outside the aircraft. Any personal device with flight safe mode should have this feature enabled now. Handheld devices must be held securely or placed into a pocket. Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed in your hand luggage for takeoff and landing. Take care that your device does not get lost beneath your seat. If it does, please do not move your seats, but let one of the cabin crew know. Please ensure that your hand luggage does not block the aisles or exits. It must be put under the seat in front of you or in an overhead locker. Place items in the locker carefully as they may fall and injure someone. In the case of an evacuation, you must move quickly to your closest usable exit and take nothing with you.
Steward 863, ready taxi.
Just Steward 863, taxi the holding point, kilo runway 13 left by uniform and off.
Via uniform, kilo for holding point, runway 13 left, Steward 863, thank you.
Steward 863 contact tower 118, bye bye.
181 Tower, Steward 863, thanks, good evening. Tower, good evening, Steward 863, approaching Kilo, holding point for 13 left, we are ready for departure.
Steward 863, good day, line up. via intersection Kilo, runway 13 left clear for takeoff in 100 degrees, 6 knots.
Thank you. Line up via Kilo 13 left, cleared for takeoff, Budapest.
Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nick Kerrigan. I'm your customer service manager on board this flight to London Heathrow Terminal 3. I'd like to add my personal welcome to you all and welcome back our executive club members and One World frequent flyers. Recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. It must be securely fastened when the seatbelt signs are switched on. When it is safe to leave your seats, take care when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. We shall be starting our onboard service. If you are seated in our Club Europe cabin, we'll be offering you with complimentary meal and drinks from the bar. In Euro Traveller, we have a great selection of food and drinks available for you to purchase. You can find details of today's M&S onboard menu in your seat pocket. You can pay by using either credit or debit card, and for executive club members, we also accept Avios. And just to advise you, we do not accept cash as a payment. Later on in the flight, we'll be opening our High Life shop and you'll find the brochure in your seat pocket. If there's anything we can do to make your journey more comfortable, please do let us know by visiting the galley or using your call button. Shortly be coming through the cabin with landing cards for the United Kingdom. If the United Kingdom or Republic of Ireland is your final destination and you do not hold a European passport, you'll need to complete a landing card for immigration. If you're in direct transit to an international flight from London this evening, you do not need to complete one. If you are unsure if you need to complete any documentation, please ask any one of us. I invite you to sit back, relax and enjoy this flight with us to London. Thank you.